Welcome to this video of the stunning Ferrari 488 GTB Spyder. It's a very special car. It's an Atelier car, which is the bespoke design house of Ferrari. When you want to configure it personally, it's this and TaylorMade are the two bespoke design options. So this one's a 68 plate, so it's a late car with 18,300 miles. Two owners, full Ferrari service history. It's in Grigio Silverstone. With lots and lots of factory options. So I'm going to go through some of those in a second. But as you can see, the car's immaculate. It's also got full front end PPF to the car, so the bonnet, bumper, wings, wing mirrors. We've also had the grills here, the mesh, just giving them a coat of matte black because they were a bit chippy from driving and obviously hitting debris and stones. Got the advanced lighting system, the AFS, which is a really nice option. I think it's about £1,200 for that. Just showing you what good condition is. Obviously the PPF's done its job. You'll see there's a few little chips in the PPF, as to be expected, on the front end. So it's done its job as it should. It's got front parking sensors as well as rear, which is an option as well. These £5,000 alloy wheels, so lightweight forged with diamond cut faces, and they're all wrapped in Michelin tyres all the way around. You've also got the Ferrari shields on the fenders, on the wings. So some of the carbon fibre options that you've got the air intakes here. You've also got the uprights, B-pillars, Ferrari branding there on the engine bay cover. The rear air ducts, they're all carbon fibre. And then on this one you've also got the F1 brake light in carbon fibre as well. And then obviously you've got the standard plastic rear diffuser. Their Michelin Pilot Super Sport all the way around, and then the Giallo, which is the yellow calipers. That's a lovely option to have as well. Massive carbon ceramics. And then the same here. And then the last thing here, just looking at the front end, and you can see how lovely and aerodynamic it is, and how striking it is with the scallop bonnet there, F1 style. Looks really, really good. Now let's move on to this stunning interior. You've got the carbon fibre entry sill plates. You've got the gold rake carbon fibre seats. So all the seats are, the whole seat's made out of carbon fibre, you can see it there. Because it's an Atelier car, it's got a bespoke silver plaque with the Atelier branding on the rear here. Now this is all an option to have this covered in leather with yellow stitching, and then this in Alcantara. All optional extras, and the seats themselves have them in this Alcantara and leather with the yellow stitching and the yellow inserts here, and then the yellow prancing horse embroidery. All those are options, and then the 488 embroidered floor mats, all an option, and then also having the doors covered in leather with Alcantara and yellow stitching, all an option. JBL sound system, another option. Obviously you've got electric wing mirrors, and you've also got your fuel release and bonnet release there. The mirrors, both inside and outside, are electrochromatic, which is auto dimming to you and me. You've also got the dashboard covered in full leather with yellow stitch, and then the lower half in Alcantara, all Atelier options. You've got the full carbon fibre interior trim, so all that in carbon fibre. That, the central bridge in carbon fibre, all this in carbon fibre is an option. Got 2 keys. There's all your climate control. You've also got a front lift, which is an essential option to have. Parking sensors and cameras. So you've got reversing cameras pops up there, and parking sensors display is there. Ignore the TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring light. It just needs to be recalibrated because the wheel's been off for refurbishment. But to recalibrate it, you need to drive it at some distance. You need to put it in calibration mode and drive it. Until that's done, it won't calibrate and accept the pressure that's in the tyre. Then you've got the carbon fibre driver zone LEDs, which lights up blue and red in line with the rev counter. You've got the yellow rev counter, that's a lovely option. And then obviously this bespoke Atelier on the steering wheel, which is grey leather with this yellow insert. And then another Atelier option, if you can see here, is the carbon fibre flappy paddles with the yellow insert. So all these yellow inserts on here, on the doors, on the seats, on the flappy paddles was very, very expensive, and is all Atelier bespoke ordering. Then you've got the Alcantara all here on the surround and on the sun visors with yellow stitching as well, all to match. Manual adjust steering wheel is here. These buttons control this screen, and these buttons control this screen. It is not intuitive to use, it's quite difficult, but you get used to it after a while. But essentially you can cycle through the menus by turning this wheel here, and then this is your volume button for the stereo. And then that takes you to the main screen if you've gone off it. You've got the back button, the options view button, but it's all fairly straightforward once you get used to it. Okay, lights, you put them on automatic to make life simple. And then obviously you put a hacking brake, is automatic, so it does go on, it does come off automatically when you start driving. You can put it on manually there. Obviously you've got your magneto switch, which is sport, race, CT off and ESC off if you're very brave. Most people keep it on sport or race. You can of course put it on wet when you're driving in that mode. Suspension control for bumpy roads to soften it. Flashing your lights is there, wipers there, indicators there, and then you've got the horn buttons on the steering wheel. And then these buttons go through, I can't show it now because of the screen that I'm on, but it goes through various options, including gauges such as your turbo and your other sensors or other parameters of the car, such as oil pressure, battery voltage, etc, etc. Your climate control's all here, and that's about it really. Lovely carbon fibre everywhere. Climate control, you've got the V8T Spider there. I'm just going to put up the roof so you can see what it looks like with the roof up. There's your window controls. That's your rear window, which is there. You can only put it up slightly when the roof is down. You can only put it up fully up and down when the roof is up. So if we pull that up, the roof will close now. Rear window's just closed. It's got all Alcantara headlining in the roof as well. Like I say, now you could, if you want, you can open that so you can hear the engine roar. And there's your, you can see the lights there on the steering wheel. Just show you what the car looks like with the roof up. Absolutely stunning machine with the roof up or down, and that's the lovely thing with the folding out top. It's good either way. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to welcoming you to view and test drive this Ferrari 488 Spider.